In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place take profit orders on Coinbase. Taking profit simply means locking in gains at a price you choose. On Coinbase Advanced, you can do this in two straightforward ways. First, we'll use a simple limit sell order. This ensures your crypto only sells at your specified price or higher, never lower. Start by signing in to Coinbase Advanced. On desktop, go to coinbase.com/advanced trade. On mobile, open the app and switch to advanced trade. Next, pick the trading pair that matches what you own, like BTC USD or ETH USDC, so you're selling the right asset against the right currency. Open the Sell tab on the order panel. For order type, choose Limit. Now set your limit price to the higher level where you want to take profit. This is the minimum you're willing to accept, and the order will only execute at that price or better. Keep in mind, if the market never reaches that level, the order won't fill, and it can also fill partially as liquidity becomes available. Enter the amount you want to sell. If you see an expiration option, choose Good Till Cancelled or GTC, so the order stays open until it's filled or you cancel it. Finally, review everything carefully, including estimated fees and the total you'll receive, then select Place Sell Order. Quick note, to make this easy, I've added a direct link to the Coinbase Advanced website and the official mobile app download at the very top of the description. Use those links to get exactly where you need to be. Now, method 2 is attaching a take profit and optional stop loss directly to your position. This automates your exit so you don't have to watch the screen. Open your market pair and go to the Sell tab. From the order type dropdown, select Take Profit or Stop Loss. Set your take profit price to the level where you want to secure gains. Optionally, add a stop loss price to cap your downside if the market moves against you. This creates a rules-based plan. Your take profit triggers when price rises to your target, and your stop loss triggers if price falls to your safety level. When you're satisfied, click Place Order. The order remains pending and will only activate when its trigger price is reached. Before you finish, double-check the pair, price, and quantity. Even a small decimal mistake can change the outcome. Remember that fees and market conditions can affect the final result. And if you change your mind, you can review or cancel open orders from the Open Orders section. That's it. 2 reliable ways to place take profit orders on Coinbase Advanced. Thanks for watching.